Hello friends, and welcome to the video tutorial of point of sale system for Magento. Now, point of sale system refers to a system where the merchant can create the order from his physical store using the POS, and the order will be generated in the Magento backend. The basic feature of the POS system for Magento is to create the order in front of the customer so that the customer can purchase the good from any physical store as well as from any online e-commerce store. With the help of this module, the merchant can manage the inventory and the customers. And the most important thing is that they can easily manage their day-to-day transaction without any hassle. This module is a powerful tool to manage the sales and revenue. Admin can also set up the physical store along with the online Magento store. And this POS system works on online as well as on offline mode. So now let's come to the installation of this module. The point of sale system module installation is super easy. So what you have to do, first you have to download the module from a store. Then you will be getting it in a zip format. So you have to unzip it, and then you have to move app, JS and skin folders and pos.mf file into the Magento root directory, and then you have to move all the folders and files and flush the cache from Magento admin by following the path system cache management. So for the better understanding about the installation, you can also refer to the user guide. Now let's move to the admin panel and see how the admin can create users. Now this is my admin panel. So after the proper installation, you will see POS tab, and under POS tab you will get add or manage user. So just click here. So after clicking on add manage user, you can see POS user manager. So you can see the list of manager for the POS, and you can edit from here, you can delete from here or change the status from enable to disable, or you can add a new user as well. So we will show you how you can add a new user. I will enter my name, my first name and my last name. These are the fake name and just for the demo purpose. Then I will enter my email ID, that is betty@webkul.com. I will set my password. I will confirm it. You can set the sort order, and you can enable the status, enable or disable for this user, and then you can save here, and then you can see the user betty@webkul.com. So I have missed the L, so again I will go and I will enter my L, and then again I will save. Okay, so if you will edit, then you have to enter your password also, and then only you can edit the user. Now you can see betty@webkul.com. Now let's move to the POS management. Now this is my POS login, so you have to enter the username and the password. So just now we have created betty@webkul.com, so we will enter betty@webkul.com, and we will enter the password, and then we will click on login. So you can see this is my POS. So you can see the list of products, the categories, the search. You can edit your account, you can see your order. From here you can see how many products are in the cart, how many cart on hold orders you have. Then you can see how many offline orders you have. This is for logging out, and this is for syncing the offline data. So now let's see one by one. So first we will see our account. So I will go to my account, and then you can see Betty Fisher, and this is my email ID. If you want, you can also do your contact number, and from here you can change your password, and then you can update. So these are your categories, and these are your subcategories and the products inside this subcategory. So from here you can go back. So likewise you can see and this is the search box. So the search is super fast. For example, I will search Swiss. So you can see Swiss, the keyword that is SWI matches with the product name SWI are displayed here, and it is so fast. So for example, so there is no product called cloth. You can see movement MEN. So you can see the search is super fast. Now let's place an order. So what I will do, I will add the product. So when you will add the product, it will be getting added into the cart. So from here you can proceed to the checkout, then you can select the customer or you can add a new customer. For example, I will select my existing customer. You have to select the billing address, and then you have to select the payment method, as it is a POS and the POS also used on retail store, so mainly cash is accepted by the retailer. So we have included this cash feature. So you can see cash payable, it is $165.62, and we have also included cash payable round off, so the customer has to pay 166. So I will enter my amount like 200. Then you can see how much change the retailer will return to the customer, that is $34. And then you will click on save order, and then you can see order placed successfully. Now let's go to order, and then you can see the order. So you can see the detail, product, we've ordered a pillow and a body lotion, SKU, price, order, subtotal, shipping and handling 0, tax applied. So the grand total is coming this, round off was 166, cash received was 200, and the change is here. So you can also print this receipt from here, and if I will press on OK, then this will get printed and you can see. Now let's see cart on hold. So I will again add my products. Suppose this. Now what happens, suppose you have added these two products for any customer, and now you're about to check out, but that customer asks you to put this order on hold, and that particular customer wants to get some another product. So what you will do, you will put on hold. So after doing this, you will get a notification, are you sure you want to put this cart on hold? Okay, then you can see a notification that you have one cart on hold, and then you can proceed with your another customer, and you can place the order for another customer. And suppose this customer also wants its cart to be on hold, then we can do from here. And now go to order and then orders on hold. Now you can see both the order which are on hold. So when you will click here, then you can see a message, do you want to recart this list and hold current cart? So you can see now you can proceed on checkout. So what you can do, you can select your customer, cash, and save order. Order is placed. Now you can see you have only one cart on hold. Now let's move to the offline feature of this POS. Now why offline? Suppose you have a retail store in a very remote area or where the internet connection is slow, then that slow internet connection can hamper the business of your retail store, because the order placement and everything is happening due to the internet access. So what happens if the internet connection is disrupted? So don't worry, the offline feature provides the retailer to place the order, to search the product in the POS, and to place the order of how many customer you want. And then when you get a proper connection or a good or a normal internet connection, then you can click here to sync the offline data. So whatever offline orders you have placed will be synced into the online order. So the order, the transaction, the payment, everything will be done offline, and after coming to online, you just have to click here, sync offline data. That's all. So let's move to this feature. Now as you will have no net or poor net, then this offline will come. So now we can add this product. You can see, you can select the option, you can select the size, and you can add to the cart. Then you can either put on hold or you can proceed to checkout. So you can see there is no delay. You can select the payment method as well, and then you can place the order. Now the order placed successfully. So you can see your offline order. That is one. You can add another order from here in the same way, and then you can place the order, offline order. And now if you have the internet connection, a proper internet connection, then it will turn green, and then you can sync your data also. Now you can see it has turned green because we are in the online connection. The internet connection is fast. Now you can click here to sync the data. Now after syncing, you can see your offline orders are 0, and you can see the offline orders. So this is all about POS, that is point of sale for Magento. If you have any doubt regarding this module, you can just raise a support ticket at webcool.com.